guys, what's up? It's your girl Adrian. I know it's been a long time. It's been a long stressful 2023, so I really was just like focusing on other stuff. But I'm gonna be more commitment now since it's 2024, which Happy New Year, everybody. I'm gonna be, like I said, I'm gonna be more committed because I felt like 2023 I was just being lazy and I was like, oh, it's not gonna get anywhere. But it's not gonna get anywhere because commitment, Adriana. So we're gonna be more committed. Which this is gonna be my first video of 2024, which is maintenance day. Today I'm just gonna be washing my hair, doing my lashes. I finally learned how to do my lashes by myself and my nails by myself. I haven't been doing acrylics or anything. It's just I do this kit called Polygel, and which I kind of want to show you. So I've had this box that I bought from Shein, and I've been using that, and it's been great. But I wanted to get another one because it didn't have white. So my birthday was December 15th, which I think I kind of told you on one of my videos. I don't think I did, but yeah, that was my birthday. I'm 17 now. But I got a Amazon gift card from one of my family members, and I decided to get another polygel kit, which has white in it, which is perfect because I wanted to do a white, just like a basic white set. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Then I'm gonna do my lashes, and then I'm gonna probably clean my room up a little bit because it's a little messy. That's why I'm not really showing it right now. I'm just showing like the wall. But yeah, and first I'm gonna be working out, which I have constantly made that commitment to work out a lot, and so I've been feeling more confident and more happier with my body because as a young kid I used to have self-body issues. So yeah, just working out has been a great thing for me, because I've came home more confident, more happier than ever. My clothes have fitted me better than before. And so I'm just like, yay, like, you know, finally fitting into the more comfortable spot. But yeah, it's been a great year so far. Mentally, I'm great. I've learned a lot about myself, still learning. Haven't gone to therapy in a while, but hopefully I start making that a thing again. Working out, like I said, just making myself more happier, and that has been a great process. But yeah, that's the video today, maintenance day, and hopefully you like it. So what's up, guys? I'm back from the gym. I'm about to go wash my hair. I felt great doing the workout, just to let y'all know. I've been feeling bloated lately, so working out was making me feel more confident. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm probably not gonna retwist it because I did my own retwist like 3 weeks ago, not sure. But it was recently, so I'm not gonna like touch it or anything. I just want to wash it off because I have a lot of gel and buildup in there, and I don't like that. So I'll show the process of me oiling it and moisturizing it to make sure it grows. And then I'll show you my lashes and me doing my nails, and then that'll be the end of the video. So yeah. Alright guys, so I just got out the shower, washed my hair. Looks more blonde than usual, which is good because that means I washed out all that excess gel and everything. So I'm gonna show you what I put in my hair to like keep it good. This is just this for my edges because as you see, they're not baby hairs anymore. They're big edges, like mama edges. So I use that, and then I use this for my whole hair, which is like a healing oil, and it like protects my protects my hair, moisturizes it, keeps it long. That's why it's like literally down to my back. So yeah, and then I use this olive oil serum, which is also like moisturizing and helps protect damaged hair. So let's do that. Let's moisturize. Alright guys, so I finally got done moisturizing my hair. I'm going to start with my lashes. Like you see, I have a lot of lashes. Like my lashes have grown. Let me tell you something. Like my lashes were like here at one point. And it's because this is so funny. So basically as a kid, I went to this camp. And my friends were like, oh, if you take out your lashes and blow on it, you can make a wish. So I didn't believe it at first, and then I tried it. Just word of advice, don't do that. Don't do that to your eyelashes. But I kept doing it, and so there was one point I really didn't have lashes. And then I started using this hack that I Googled. And if you use castor oil and coconut oil and mix it together and put it on your lashes, they grow out. So my lashes have been growing out. But I like having long lashes, and since I've been trying out the individual lashes, they've been coming out really good. It's just they always tend to come off, and I'm just like, why are you doing that? But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna do our lashes. Okay guys, so I'm done. I didn't do too much because I want to keep it natural, but yeah, I'm gonna do my nails and then that'll be the end of the video. Okay guys, so I did the nails. They look so pretty. Oh my god, no, I actually kind of like it. I'm not even gonna lie to you. They're really pretty. They kind of look like they got done. You know, I be doing good. But yeah, oh, they're so pretty. Okay, but yeah, that's it for my video, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what you do for your maintenance day. Like I said, I'm trying to make the commitment of posting more often because I know that I haven't. So we're gonna do that this year. We're gonna do it. But yeah, bye, loves.